Hello everyone, this is Garima Pradhan and today I'm going to share how to stay happy. I'll be covering this topic and sharing you some tips about how to stay happy. So let's start with it. First thing that you have to do is do what you love doing. It can be a painting, right? It can be drawing something that you're really fond of. Like I recently draw this, right? This is Milk and Musa. Yeah. So you can do drawing or you can listen to some cool music that you love listening to, or you can even cook. I have started with some cooking experiments which I am doing to understand is it possible to cook these things at home. And basis that I've also started with blogs. So you can even do that. If there is a passion related to some content, go for it and do it. Okay. So just try your hands, you never know what you create, right? Because we don't know, sometimes we create something magical that is just not aware to us that it is possible and is it it's in our capabilities, right? So just do it. Second, have alone time. It's important. Now why is it important? Because if you don't take out time for yourself, you will not charge your batteries, and at the end your mind will get exhausted and you will disconnect from everybody around. If you are a person who is ambivert like me and who is social to some people and is introvert to other people and have both sides of the story and is selective about opening up with people, then you are an ambivert personality, because you can be both, but you need time to rewire your brain, to reconnect the dots and come back to life, right? So if that is a personality of you as well and you too are an ambivert, I would simply suggest you just take out alone time for yourself so that you can sit in peace with yourself and ward off all the battles that's going in your head. Okay, because if that is not sorted, you will eventually end up creating battles around people, around the people you are with. All right, so solve the battles here, only then it will be important and easy for others to get along with you. Okay, we all need time for our healings. Take out your time. Okay, and third point is keep yourself happy. That is something you have to do on priority. You cannot put yourself at the last and put everybody first. Why? Initially, I used to do this. Alright, let me share what I used to do and what I realized, that if you keep putting other people first and keep yourself second, you are compromising on your own health and your own mental health. Okay, if we are not happy, we cannot vibe that into other person. All right, so you have to put yourself first, put yourself first in spheres like happiness. If you are not happy, then you cannot keep anybody else happy. Okay, so first you stay happy, take time, be clear about setting boundaries, that this is my boundary and I am just not in the right frame of mind to deal with this thing. The people around you will understand, but you have to tell them that you need time for healing. You are not healed yet. Okay, you can tell them that I need some time with myself to get off the battlefield and be good in a good space of mind, right? Because if we are not in the right state of mind, we cannot be keeping others at right state as well, because we will not be in a position to understand, right? So keep yourself first, keep your happiness first, because if you are not happy, you cannot keep others happy. That's fact. Okay, that's surely gonna happen. Fourth, find time for things that bring joy to you. Okay, if there is something that brings joy to you, do it. Don't give it a second thought, just do it. Okay, it can be a small quality time with the people you love. It can be quality talk with the person you love. It can be anything. Okay, because you need to give that time to yourself so that you be a kid for some hours. And it's not bad to be that. I am not saying that you start behaving like idiot. I am just saying that be a child, find time for yourself. It can be playing games like I still love Ludo, so I still play Ludo. Okay, so and I love car games, cooking games. I'm like big time fan of all these things. So it keeps me happy. I feel very happy. So do the things that keeps you happy. Okay. Talk to the people who make you feel happy, or you feel you are connected to them and share similar experiences, or the person is understanding enough to know you, so you can give them your time. Okay. Third, and one more activity that you can do is do something that brings the kid out of you. It can be a small toy, anything of that sort, a puzzle game, a jigsaw puzzle, anything. Okay. And travel if that is your soul food. Soul food is important, don't miss that. Okay. So if you do all these things, I can vouch for it, you will be in a happy state of mind. So if this video was helpful, do drop your comments in the comment section and leave a reply of any topic that you want me to cover. This was all on the topic how to stay happy. This was Garima Pradhan signing off. Bye bye.